Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a very excellent opportunity whose name is Corvarious, whose official website is corvarious.com. Friends, Corvarious is a completely decentralized project. The specialty of a decentralized project is that, even if the owner is dishonest, he cannot do anything wrong. That is, whatever amount you give to the system, all the people associated with the system take its benefit. Once deployed on the blockchain, no one can commit fraud here. Be it a senior promoter or a company owner, no one. Friends, you must have heard about Satoshi app. Mining started on this app only after full verification. And after Bitcoin, the second most decentralized cryptocurrency, if any, is the Corcoin. If we talk about the features of Corcoin, then friends, in terms of speed, it is the coin with the highest speed in the blockchain so far, whose TPS is unlimited. If we talk about transaction fees, smart contract fees are the lowest in Core blockchain, many times less than Matic. Friends, mining of Corcoin started in the year 2019. Its total supply is 2.1 billion, after Corcoin was mined by December 2022. Corcoin was listed on more than 20 exchanges on February 8, 2023. If we talk about Corvarious's vision and mission, friends, we are developing a healthy ecosystem where every person will be able to fulfill all his financial needs. Once you invest a little time and energy here, you will get its benefits for lifetime. In a very short time, you will earn a very good income from here. Because the power of duplication here is going to be very fast. Friends, whatever plans you have seen in the market trend till date, they are mostly either product-based plans, where you work hard for 4 to 5 years and barely earn $500 to $1,000 a month. In the name of ROI in investment, people have been looted till date. Or you might have heard a lot about auto pool plans in investment, where after some time, the auto pool starts slowing down. And maximum community becomes neutral. Single leg is the most uncalculated plan, which has no life. Often, the drawback seen in level plans is that as your business grows in depth, the percentage reduces. And after a certain level, where there is huge business volume coming from your team, your income stops in binary plans. Great tension in the form of power leg is given by the leaders in the system. And if you have a big business volume, you are not able to earn unlimited money due to capping. If we talk about the token, then friends, initially the coin price of every system increases, but the day big investors and company management people start booking profits, from that day onwards the coin price starts falling. Can't save. So friends, till date you have seen these plans in the market trend like product base, ROI, auto pool, single leg, level, binary and token. But friends, the better solution than all these, in the form of Corvarious, has come in the market, where duplication of it has to be very fast. Because friends, we are starting with free airdrop here. And no one will refuse to register for free. Packages start at just $5. Where even the poorest of the poor, be it a labor, housewife, or anyone, can join Corvarious. If we talk about levels, then we are going to get the benefit of working income from the team of unlimited level. And whatever you invest here, friends, a very good program is here, in the form of F50. Where you are going to get 100% monthly return on your investment. That too lifetime. These are some of the reasons why Corvarious will prove to be a very rapidly duplicating system. Friends, if there is any most powerful aspect in any network marketing system, it is the power of duplication, having free registration, getting 100% monthly return of our investment, having a fully calculative system, minor fees charged, and the package being very small. These are some such features, due to which the duplication of IDS in the system here, in your team, is going to happen at a very fast pace. That's why friends, after just 3 to 6 months, you will definitely be earning thousands and millions of dollars from here. If we talk about the Corvarious features, then the benefits of working here that you will get are at unlimited level. And that too is going to be compressed level. In most plans, the percentage decreases at lower levels. But you are going to get the same percentage of profit from the unlimited level. Friends, due to being 100% decentralized, any person here can close his eyes and believe. Because here any particular person, whether it is the promoters of the company or the owner, cannot run away with your amount. The ideology of the plan is so aligned